So, what may be the next year? We don't know yet. If they got that, I don't know if Burton that's not injured. He's injured on the, I think, on the third quarter. Yeah, yeah, it's on his Achilles. First quarter. Uh, yeah, and the score is not far only. Maybe. Maybe. But it's GA is different. It's on another level on basketball. But what is I don't like is, yeah, the first player in the history got a 3 times in the N1 season. Oh yeah, he is already superstar not yet. Already superstar not yet, right? Not yet. Because first season he got injured. Yeah, so he did not play on that long on that whole season. And he got Alex Caruso and Bulls. He traded the Australian just Giddy, right? Just Giddy, right? I think so. He also a championship. If he got they don't traded just Giddy, maybe, right? Maybe in the playing style, it's not the same as Caruso because Caruso is a defensive player. He's the stopper of the shooter of Pacers, like Siakam, Miles Turner. That's Miles Turner. It's a big one. It's a big guy.
On the Lakers 2020 as well. He was on that thing.
On the Lakers.
Yeah.
Yeah, on the pandemic season. But and also I don't think I forgot that guy. Caruso. Only Caruso. Alex Caruso. What's the name of that guy? And he scored 40 points on game 5, or game 3, or game 4.
Yeah.
Is that Williams?
Yeah, Jalen.
Yeah, Jalen Williams. Yeah. I think that's Japanese half. It's not pure American. It's a pure. Yeah. But black guy. Yeah, it's not white. Yeah, it's special. But if Stern that's not injured, maybe they overcome Timberwolves. Because he got injured on the first game, on the game 1, and they will never beat. Yeah, they can beat the Timberwolves on a close game. No. Yeah. So that's why. Yeah. And maybe Bernard, he playing, but it's not 100%. Yeah, it's not 100% because he can the other guy can help him to compete because you look at the scoreboard, only Kawhi Leonard, James Harden is not enough. No. Maybe next season, that would be a exciting one to watch if they all come back. But Tatum, Damian Lillard, and the guy, the last one, Burton. The number of their jersey, all 0. Tatum is 0. Yeah. Burton is 0 also, and Damian Lillard. I think we have one, Gary Payton, but he's not injured.